Welcome to my latest video. In this particular video, I will give you an overview on the capabilities of artificial intelligence, which is contained within the beta version of Photoshop just released. As we can see from this particular image, uh, it's just a standard image of a meadow, nothing special. But of course, what we've got is we've got all of the obstructions. We've got a path that is worn through. Um, we've also got a pole that is protruding through the image, which is distracting our eye. We've got in the horizon, we've got a church tower. In the foreground, once again, we've got the roofs of parked cars. And then we have got this little tuft of earth with some grasses that are obstructing the view of the river. What we're going to do with this is we're going to effectively identify the areas we want to change. And by doing this, we will use our lasso tool. And effectively, we will lasso around the area, just overlapping that of which we want to change, and then instruct the computer using this new toolbar to generate a replacement. So let's get started. And what I've done is, in this particular example, I've created the masks. Again, they're all created by the lasso tool and identifying the area which you want to change. So I would like more buttercups here to obscure this path. So if I turn on my change, the computer is now generating that change. And as we can see from what it's done, I'm not really particularly sold on this tuft of grass here. So I've identified this tuft of grass to be replaced. And now the computer has replaced it by more of a meadow type image. We now need to address the pole. And we got the pole, so I've identified the pole in the normal fashion. And we've now removed that pole. The roofs of the cars and replacing it with tree foliage and the good surround. And that has now been applied. The church tower has been removed. And it introduces quite the uh, symmetry on the horizon, and you can't see the changes. It's fantastic. And now we're going to remove this little bit of grass where we see some tufts that obscure the river. And once we've done that, that's a much more natural situation. So what we see in a couple of moves is we've just gone and we've analyzed the photograph. When we've analyzed the photograph, we've instructed the computer to carry out the changes. So this is absolutely fantastic that we can do this. And once again, we can do this with little professional knowledge. And that is the key. This opens up creativity to a wider spectrum of people who do not have to study the product in detail. Thank you for listening. I hope this has been of benefit. And please watch my future videos where I will go to a more in-depth uh, explanation of how you can apply changes in the future. Thank you for listening. And as always, if you've got a benefit from this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. I would appreciate it. Many thanks.